Hello everyone. Now this is one Seagate pension hard drive firmware repair and data recovery case study, and we can check the family ID is B2, and we have just unlocked the firmware arrow and back up the model list, and also we have back up the SOS files. Now, when we are trying to access to the data arrow by the LBA inputting, we can see here we read the sector 0. We can find out it's 55AA. And when we are trying to check further on the data arrow, and we can also access to the last or the ending sectors. So this means this drive has already been fully accessible for both the firmware arrow and also the data arrow. Now we can see that the data arrow is accessible for the last sectors of this pension drive. That means this drive has been fully repaired, and now we can switch to the DDP data recovery software. Now let's go to the DFLC panel, and we select the SATA 0, click DDP data recovery software. Okay, now let's enter the DDP data recovery software after the firmware repair by the Seagate firmware repair software. So that means we can open two software, the firmware repair and this data recovery software, on the same channel for the same drive. So this design is very easy to be used for this kind of cases with firmware failure, and also users need to image or extract lost data finally from such kind of cases. Now we are trying to enter the DDP data recovery software. Okay. So this is the DDP data recovery software for this B2 pension drive of Seagate, and okay, now let's try to check if the lost partitions can be listed or not. And we can see the status reports running. Running means that the software is trying to search the MFT and also the partition table. If they are good, then the partitions can be listed directly. But from the current status, we can find out there are some bad sectors with this pension drive. That means we need to image this drive first, and then we can extract the lost data from the target drive or from the target image file. So this one is very important for all users to learn. Users cannot always go directly to extract the lost data, but it's very necessary for most cases to image the pension drive and then recover the lost data. Now we can see the software is still running to list the lost partitions. So the pension drive may get stuck here because there are some bad sectors in the front, maybe in the partition table location or in the MFT location. So at this time, we can try to click stop. We can try to refresh, and sometimes we can try to use the reverse scan from the ending LBA to find out the lost partitions. Okay, we can stop here. And we can go to general menu. Sometimes we can use soft reset or hard reset to get the pension drive ready. Now we need to go back to this. You know, if the drive is busy, we cannot do anything. So we need to get the pension drive ready first. We can try to go to the firmware repair software here, and we can send an unlock key to unlock the firmware arrow. Now the drive gets ready because the drive is now in ROM unlock status, so we need to send unlock key to get this drive ready. And here we need to switch back to the DDP data recovery software, and we can scan the lost partitions. We need to select the reverse scan. So it's very slow and easy to get stuck during the partition scanning process. So we can try to stop scan. Here we can find one partition, so we can click yes and save selected. And this is the partition we can find for this 4 TB. So this can be the right partition we need. But when we are trying to expand this partition, it gets stuck. So at this time, we need to go back to the disk image interface and image this pension drive. Okay, so we can go to general menu, soft reset, or we can go back to the Seagate firmware repair software here. Click soft reset again, or let's see if we can enter the F3T prompt. So if not, we can try to power off, power on, send unlock key to get this drive ready. You know, when the drive is very slow for the Seagate drive, and we can try one function here. Okay, let's re-enter the software to refresh the RAM information. Okay, so the firm modules are available, and we can try to check the initialize by ID. We can untick this one and keep the disable vacant active, and we keep these three and click modify. Check the log window to see, okay, this operation is successful. So at this time we can try to go back to the DDP and we can try to image this Okay, now we need to set up the target drive to image this patient hard drive. And now the client is coming. We need to set up one VHD to image. Click create. Close. Finish. And we need to set up the head map. Okay, so software is starting to set up the head map, and we can image the good heads first and then image the weak heads. Now after the head map is set up, we can find out which heads are weak, and then we can cancel the weak heads and keep the good heads only. House info is not good. We need to check which heads are weak first. Head map, so 4 heads. Let's try to image. So it seems the head 0 has problem here. We can see it gets dark here. See, head 0 has problem and got stuck. Let's cancel head 0 and see. So for this kind of patient drive, users need to make both the firmware repair software and the DDP data recovery software to repair firmware failure and then image the patient drive. Thank you for watching the video.